Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are back at the porch replacement job and we're also on the new camera today. We haven't got the microphone yet, but we'll see how this goes. Job today is to level out this rock and then we're going to give it a good whack, get some DPM set inside it and then start getting the insulation in, ready for pouring a concrete slab. So let's get on with it. We've got all that levelled out, a wee bit of work in this weather, but we got there. We used this, just used a board sitting on this edge to give the height, and now you can see to fill the gaps underneath and level it a bit better, we're just going to blind it off with some sand, and then we'll pull that screed board along and we'll give it one more whack, and then that'll be us ready for our DPM. Right, that is the DPM all in, taped round our penetrations, corners are tidied up, ready for insulation and our slab, which we'll attack tomorrow because we'll need to bring the insulation with us. The new van's not got a roof rack yet, that has arrived in Mull today I think, so we'll probably put that on because we can't fit anything in the back of the van now because it's full of tools because we just emptied that other job. But that'll be the next day here, we'll crack on with it. Sit it in, it might be a taper, I don't know if it's straight. Right, we're just getting this insulation finished. Pretty simple perimeter insulation up to the top of the block work, 50mm, and then our sort of slab insulation down the top. And we'll get a 100mm slab here, reinforced slab. It's a bit tricky working around these pipes, you can see you've kind of got to do it in bits and try and taper bits, but that'll be alright. Let's get the concrete in. Right, that's us ready for concrete. Insulation done, mesh in, all taped up, ready to roll. We're going to have a quick cup of tea and then get into it.
I'm having a great time.
Is that the golden ticket there?
I think this might be the £1 million, the million viewer. Okay. Okay. Oh no, actually you can, yeah, you can start, we'll just not put it out. Okay. Right, that is the slab complete. All poured. We had just the amount of material we needed. I actually had to run to Calhoun and get a quarter bag of concrete mix from the other job. But it's all in. We're a wee bit delayed because of that. Hope to get away in an earlier ferry, but we're going to get the next one now, so we're going to shoot off. There's not much more we can do here anyway till next up's the kit. So wall plates, start building walls. That'll be next week's job. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Catch you on the next one. Cheers for now.